If you want a great auto repair business, you need a great auto repair management software. Luckily, we have just what you're looking for. AutoRepair Cloud is a shop management software that's just right for your shop. Whether big or small, family owned or corporate, we've got you covered. AutoRepair Cloud provides many helpful features, such as labor estimates, technical service information, as well as tools like online auto parts ordering, quotes and repair order writing capabilities, our software comes fully equipped with diagnostics such as OBD2 and inspection list capabilities, a customer and vehicle database, as well as a lookup tool with VIN and license plate scan functionality. We try to make your job a little easier by providing crucial features like appointment management, as well as communication center with email, text, and push notifications. Running your shop just became a little easier thanks to our QuickBooks integration. Customer payment options, and an abundance of other useful features. Our shop management system is so simple to use that you can create a repair order in as little as 3 clicks of a mouse. We provide the only product that allows your customers, the average Joe or gal who gets his or her car serviced at your shop, to download an app specifically designed for them in order to interact with your business and foster a loyal customer base. You can use our software on your tablet, your phone, your computer, or across all of those devices without ever having to worry about syncing or losing your data and information. Our innovative software is designed to be intuitive and easy to use and provides all the right tools you need to be ahead of the curve. But don't take our word for it. You can register for a completely free premium trial where you can use all of the features it has to offer. Sign up for AutoRepair Cloud today and see if it's right for your shop. And did I mention the ultra competitive rate our software is as compared to others on the market? Let's work together to make your business great.